All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. We have a very special guest today. We got Diamond appearing on the channel. Yep. What's up, baby? She's actually gonna be rolling with us today over to Autocross. We're actually gonna go check out some of the crews, see what they're doing, pop up, say hi, and have a good time. Let's do this. And now we are joined by the beautiful Ella. You ready to go kick it with some Autocross?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Well, we finally made it, guys. Check it out. Beautiful Porsche. Man, look at that S2000. What's going on, bro? How you living? Uh-oh. What's up, ladies? How's it going? Yeah?
Just came to check it out.
Oh. Good luck, you. Oh, look who we got here.
Inside another Corvette to see what it was like.
What'd you think?
He drives fast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Faster than Hank?
I haven't driven with Hank yet, so I don't know. I drove myself though. It was pretty fun.
Yeah? In the vet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll work.
And I almost spun it twice, but I caught it.
Ooh.
It's a little bit more forgiving than the S2000.
How's it going, guys? Got another S2K getting ready to come out here and come show out. Let's go. Type R rolling through. He's not playing games. And look who's here. What's up, bro? Nice to see you.
Constructing right now.
Yeah? Killing it today or what?
I haven't gone out to my real runs yet, but we're gonna be doing that soon. I'm gonna hop in with Erica though. She's about to take her run, her second set of practice runs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna hop in with her, just take a little break real quick. But yeah, be like 70 bucks.
This guy. What up, dude? I love coming out to Autocross, I swear. This is always just like a fun time. So amazing seeing everybody's builds and, you know. All these guys are getting ready to have a great time. Hey! You got the Mustang, you also have the Vet. Good luck, guys. Kick ass, Erica. How's it going? What's going down, Mr. Brown?
How's it going?
Man, we're living, making it happen.
That's Cyrus, right? We can go.
I don't know.
I'm a little back.
How are you liking all the upgrades?
It feels amazing.
Yeah?
New wheels, new tires, so much grip.
Gearshyft girls did a good job?
They did a good job.
All right.
They did a good job.
Go ahead. also have the newest set of wheels for autocross.
You guys want to ride with me once, you guys can.
I do, but I don't have a helmet.
Yeah, I'll have you either borrow Ella's or Erica's. I guess you have to. They don't have loaner helmets here that are free. It's like $10, so you just wear Erica's. Because obviously I can only take one passenger at a time. So, and then what size helmet do you wear?
I'm a small.
You can go first if you're recording.
If you want.
That guy is so dope. BMW M Series. Yep, BMW day. How was your run?
That was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me more.
No, it was fun. I wanted to ride. I'm gonna leave your helmet. Hold on.
All right.
Thank you. So he was gonna ask you if you wanted to do one more. He's gonna take a break.
Yeah, I want to do one.
Car is hot.
How does it go?
Do you know what color we're in right now?
Yeah. I'm seeing right now.
How was it for you, Hank?
Blue? Okay, we're in the last one. It was good, a lot of fun. Tires are way too hot now. So I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. So hopefully it's not as much drifting as with Ella. Because there's a lot of drifting with you, Tommy. So.
Yeah, definitely. But it was a lot of fun though. You killed it. All right, boys, have fun. All right, guys, we're probably getting ready to shut it down now. So thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment for us. Let us know what you guys think about the autocross. Are you guys coming out soon? Let us know. We'll see you guys soon. Peace.